Morning, everybody. Don't mind my hairstyle. It's a little funky, but I just thought I'd show you. Oh, it's Bill.
And Tara.
From Bill and Tara.
Family Ark.
Family Ark. So, here we have the Malin Wolf. You know, don't ever get a hybrid. They're terrible. They'll kill your animals. That's probably a 4-pound kitten. But, want to see something funny? Can you grab Uhtred and put him with Delaney? Now, we don't let the dog eat together just because, well, we almost saw Tara's butt. We're not going to show that. Here we have the French Brittany. Watch what happens when we put the cat in with him. Just watch. Oh, now he's not going to do it. Normally, there you go. Dad, the cat's stealing my food. Dad. Okay, get him out of there because he'll eat all the lady's food. We just thought we'd show you that. We thought that was pretty comical. See, and now look, he's right back in his food again. Did you pay for those jeans?
Yes.
Look at these people. You paid for those jeans.
Yes.
They're all torn up. So yeah, interesting. Horrible wolf. We'll talk later. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, or that wolf will bite you.